In spite of the wide-open design and lack of body panels, there is very little of the chrome-molybdenum steel frame to be seen. That's because the factory went the way of most nakeds and used the engine as a stressed member to replace the downtube cradle section in its entirety. In a move to further reduce weight, the dead space within the subframe gets repurposed to serve as an airbox and eliminate yet another source of weight and bulk. The die-cast swing arm is pragmatic almost to a fault, with an industrial look that's raw and unrefined but also strong. Up front, a 24-degree steering angle and 3.85 inches of trail over a 58.07-inch wheelbase gives the Duke a live eagerness in the corners that is sure to endear itself to its pilot. Although it runs a set of non-adjustable, 43mm, inverted front forks, the 790 delivers a better-than-average ride ahead of the preload adjustable shock out back, both from WP. Dual, 300mm wave-cut brake discs work with 4-piston calipers to slow the front with a 240mm disc and an iPod anchor out back, all under the watchful guise of the ABS feature. This isn't just any ABS either. It's the cornering variety that measures lean angles and modulates the braking effort to match the remaining available traction. If you're into sliding the rear end around a bit, and have the skill set for it, you can switch to the Supermoto ABS mode to disable the anti-lock protection at the rear wheel only.